a MIG welder and its uses. Before you start to weld any metal though, it's important to have the metal prepared into a decent condition. Firstly, remember, if you're going to weld anything with a coating, it could just be paint, or it could be like this piece of steel, an actual galvanizing coating. That coating will need removing before you can make a clean weld. Also, material you're welding, if working on vehicles for instance, could be rusty. So rust also needs to be removed, and you need to clean the steel back to good clean steel before you can make a join. The most useful tool alongside your welder is going to be a simple angle grinder. A small version like this is ideal for cleaning up steel, preparing steel, and indeed for removing your occasional bad weld. But of course you can't use one of these without one of these, the safety goggles, because these things do produce a lot of sparks and can be dangerous. Okay.
Lovely.